Hi and welcome to another video. So today I am going to teach you how to fix PS4 error NP-34954-5 and error occurred. So first, the PS4 error NP-34954-5 is related to connectivity issues between your PS4 console and the PlayStation network. So this error typically occurs when there's a problem with your internet connection or the PSN itself. So here are some steps you can take to try and resolve this error. So first, you need to check your internet connection. So you need to ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. You can try resetting your router or connecting your PS4 directly to the modem via Ethernet cable to rule out any Wi-Fi issues. So next is to test your internet connection on the PS4. So on your PS4, you just need to go to your settings and then go to network and then go to test internet connection. So this will check the speed and the stability of your connection. So if the test fails or show low speeds, you may need to contact your internet service provider for an assistance. So next is to check the status of the PSN because sometimes the PSN might be experiencing technical difficulties or ongoing maintenance, which can cause this error. So you need to visit the official PlayStation website or the social media channels to check if there are any known issues with the PSN. So if there's a problem on their end, you will need to wait until it is resolved. So next is to update the PS4 system software. So you need to make sure that your PS4 is running the latest system software. So you can do this by going to your settings, go to system software update, and then following the prompts to download and install any available updates that you can see. So next is to simply just restart your PS4 because sometimes a simple restart can fix temporary glitches. So you need to turn off your PS4 completely and then unplug the power cord from the outlet and just wait for a few minutes and then plug it back in and turn it on again. So next is to rebuild the PS4 database. So if the error persists, you can try rebuilding the PS4 database. And to do this, you need to turn off your PS4 completely. And then press and hold the power button until you hear 2 beeps. And it takes about 7 seconds. And then connect a DualShock 4 controller with a USB cable and select the Rebuild Database option in the Safe Mode menu. So note that this process may take some time, so you need to be patient. So if none of the steps above resolve the error NP-34954-5, you may need to contact PlayStation support for further assistance. So they can provide specific troubleshooting steps and help you determine if there are a hardware issue with your PS4 console. So that is all for this video. I hope you like, subscribe, and make sure to click the notification bell so you won't miss any video. So that is all. Thank you for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.